For a better overview, we'll show you the removal on an OM654 engine model. You do not have to remove the engine for this repair. Before starting work, make sure that the 290-degree mark on the belt pulley lines up with the crankcase marking. Once the high-pressure pump is accessible, first remove the high-pressure line. Next, remove the screws on the high-pressure pump bracket. Loosen the clamp that secures the leak line and then place the line on top. Remove the screws that hold the feed and return pipes. Then take both off and lay them aside. Remember to replace the O-rings upon installation. This is followed by the disassembly of the glow output stage. To remove the cap on the timing case, pierce it with a suitable tool or drill a hole. This must be replaced upon installation. Now it's important to keep the engine in the direction of engine rotation at 290 degrees after the TDC while unscrewing the screw. Next, the special tool is used. Insert the sleeve with the plastic ring and fix it with the supplied screw. Tighten the screw hand tight. The sleeve holds the gear wheel so that it doesn't fall into the engine. Then screw the thrust piece onto the drive wheel and tighten the pressure screw hand tight. Now you only have to unscrew the two fastening screws of the high-pressure pump on the crankcase. You must feel the rear of the two screws, they're both at the same level. Finally, turn the pressure screw until the high-pressure pump is released.